everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at H RV here in Haleyville, Alabama. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Today, we're going to be looking at a 2024 Heartland Big Country, model number 3905 FL. So let's get started. The length on this Big Country is 43 feet 3 inches. The dry weight is 13,505 pounds. Whew, and that hitch weight is 3,470.
Yeah, so there's no question on this one. You are going to need a dually for this one.
My dually Ranger?
Yeah, it's heavy and it's long, but I think you're going to like it once we show you the inside. Big Country is kind of new for us. This is something we haven't been seeing. So let's start up here and show you all of this storage up here. Your hydraulics are going to be over here.
Yep. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I was getting in your way.
Yeah. All of this. And this is going to have 6-point hydraulic leveling.
Oh, let's see. I didn't have this one open. Oh.
Yep.
Yep.
And you are going to be able to add a generator here if you would like. Coming on down the side. Here's one of your propane bottles. And I know you think, okay, well, this storage looks narrow, but we've got something else to show you, so just hang on. Your control hookups here. Going to have an outside shower, water filter already in place. Cable satellite hookups are also in there.
All right.
Looking on down. We'll come down this side. It does have the
Goodyear endurance.
Yeah, the Goodyear tires and the nice upgraded more ride suspension on it.
My gosh, how big are these darn things? They are 16s.
Yeah.
Whew, what's our little bitty 14 thing?
Yes, it does. One of your dump areas are here, but now this is going to make up for your small storage space up front. So this is a nice big space.
Wow.
At the back. You know, what is...
there's your dump handles.
Oh, your dump handles are...
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I was wondering, what is that extra? You do have a reel here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, another storage. And this is also open to the back. So,
Yep, do have a reel.
Yep.
And we do not have...
We don't have power to this one. When you're coming out here at the back, this is just the other side of that same storage we just showed you from the side.
Well, that's really nice.
That is pretty cool. Not a mounted ladder, but it is prepped for the Lippert ladder and also prepped for a backup camera. You do have a hitch down here. This is going to be just for an accessory rack, not for towing. On your campsite.
Goodness.
Yeah, the other side of that storage. It's just a nice size storage. This is going to have 2 awnings.
Well, all I got is one. It's an 18-foot.
Oh, well, let's see. Yes, okay. It is just going to have this one awning. One awning at the back.
Huh.
Well, that's interesting.
No, we got one right here.
No, there is.
We got a little one.
There's a little one over your door.
Okay, well, they didn't tell me what that was on the...
Well, it's not very big, but it's going to cover your door, so that's excellent.
What is that, 5 foot?
6 maybe. So yeah, here's the other side of your front storage. Again, this one's not very big, but you have all that storage at the back to make up for this. Controllers. And your leveling system is going to be on this side of your fifth wheel. And here is your other propane bottle.
Yep, just in case we didn't tell you a lie.
Yeah.
All right.
Quick connect's going to be right down here. So let's go take a look at this Big Country.
Probably have to have some Big Country to turn this thing around.
You will. This one is a good size. So, hey, for people who want a full-time, you might want to look at this one. It's got a front living room.
All right.
Now, again, we don't have power hooked up on this one, so there is a televator there. You're just going to have to trust us that there's a TV back there. Storage on all the way around. Got a
2 drawers up here. There we go.
Yeah. We're not exactly level, so
No,
I think
and
that's
these are soft close.
soft close, yeah. And huge fireplace here.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty good storage right there. You've got to plug in on both sides up front, and so you can pull a shade down if you want to cover up your front windshield. Your two opposing sides are going to be exactly alike. You're going to have a trifold sofa in both of them.
And if you're taller than me, watch
Yeah.
when you get up.
Yeah, watch your head. Well, I think getting up won't be a problem. It's just, well, you're standing weird.
Well, I mean, you better lean kind of out. You better not go straight up.
Well, your theater seat's going to be directly in front of your TV. It does have those little cup holders there.
With USBs.
Yeah, and really nice. I know it's dark, but there is a plug-in on this little end table here. Up here, I don't know where your heating vent is. I actually think it is actually in the bottom down there of your end table, so it's not heating in the floor. Got this neat little like a separation bar area, and those have got solid surface countertops on it. Oh, just as you come in the door, your controls are going to be right here, and they are covered up, so if you don't want to see them, you just close that. This would work, well, I was going to say as a coffee bar, but there's no plug-ins there, so you could use it as a prep. Like you could prep stuff there.
Oh, prep it with a plug-in.
Yeah, so there's storage down below it. Your island here is going to have a contrasting color. Does have a solid surface countertop. Big sink with a high-rise faucet. Oh, you're going to go over there.
Well, here, let's start right here. I'll go with the fridge.
All right.
It has not all the stuffing.
Yeah, it's got styrofoam everywhere. But big residential style French door, and you've got the two drawers down below that.
Big cabinet.
Great big cabinet. Moving on over. More storage up above your microwave. And I'm going to say, yeah, convection microwave. Very nice. 3-burner cooktop with a little bit bigger oven in it. And there is solid surface on both sides.
And they put
the metal. I like that they're putting a metal drawer under that.
Okay, I guess this
is going to be your pantry.
There we go.
All right, those are good size shelves in there.
Okay, they've got some really good magnets.
Very good magnets. Yeah, those are not going to just pop open anytime soon.
Now we've got 4 drawers over here.
Wow.
Soft serve, yeah.
Yep.
Soft serve. It's like soft serve ice cream.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking about. Ice cream and storage under. Again, I'm sorry that it's a little dark in here, but you also do have an extra plug-in here. Right up front, you're going to have your table and chairs in a slide.
Now, you said you figured this out.
Well,
We've done another big country and we couldn't figure this out.
There is a snap under here holding the two leaves together.
A snap.
No, right under there.
There.
But I still can't figure out how to pull it apart.
Okay.
There's not one on the other side.
Well. Okay.
Okay, we know it pulls apart, but somebody else is going to have to demonstrate this. Hey, if anybody out there has a table like this, please show us how this works.
Well, my goodness. I know it does, because there's a crack. Okay.
But anyway, it does have a couple more chairs, so it's going to extend somewhere. we just don't.
Who knows?
We just don't know how it works. All right, let's finish out this area. You are actually going to get a half bath in this one. So your foot flush toilet is down here, and this does have a sliding door. Nice sink. Actually has solid surface in here. Your medicine cabinet up here has a mirror. You do have a fan up there. It's a small fan, but it's still better than nothing. Nice size sink and some good storage here below the sink in this half bath. Your heating vent is going to be right there in the floor.
All right.
So let's And this is going toward the back of your fifth wheel.
Well,
This is okay. Yeah,
Right
neat
there.
little bench with a drawer under it, so you can sit
That's
and
a
put your
good
shoes
idea.
on.
I like that.
Yeah, so it gives you extra space there.
Okay.
Here in the slide, you're gonna have a king size bed. Really like this headboard. The light switches up there. It actually has a separate switch for each light, which is really nice. Nice storage underneath the bed.
See any of that?
Yeah, I think it's gonna show up okay.
Okay.
Now let me turn
Now.
around.
Oh my.
Yeah, so then you've got this really neat wardrobe area here. You have hanging there and there. And I've lost count of drawers. What is that, 8 drawers?
8 drawers.
Wow.
Oh, and they're all soft close.
All soft close. Very nice. Your second AC is going to be in here. Again, this is a 43-foot fifth wheel with only 2 ACs. So,
Yep.
yeah, might want to keep that in mind.
Okay.
All right, coming into the bathroom. Bathroom's going to be at the rear. It's got a sliding door coming in.
Ooh.
Yeah. So let me put this up where you can see where his head is. Huge skylight up there. Plenty of headroom. Jeremy's
Wow.
6 feet tall, so no problem there. Did they give you? Yes. They give you a light right up there at the front. Love these shower heads with all the body sprays. Big medicine cabinet. This is going to have dual sinks.
Okay.
So
This is sharp.
this is really nice. If you remember on the outside there was corner storage, so this is where that corner storage is. I mean, you have your sinks are going to be the same on both sides. Medicine cabinet's going to be the same on both sides.
Oh my god.
And then-
Look how long these are.
These are huge drawers.
Nice made drawers.
Yeah,
too.
they actually feel very good.
Oh, look at that soft close. Love it.
Yes, so your heating's there in the bottom of the cabinetry. Foot flush toilet over here. They actually give you 3 windows in here that open, so
Yeah.
that is really nice to have extra ventilation if you need it. And ta-da! This huge closet. Again, I'm a little disappointed that they didn't put a hanging bar in here, but I know that's something you can add. But yeah, you're prepped for a stackable washer dryer, and they mark where your vent needs to go.
that is so cool.
Wow. So this is another one if you're looking for a lot of space. This is a good one to check out.
All right, everybody. If you like this Heartland Bighorn, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.